Here's a video on how to take apart a Bright Starts baby swing. I showed you this part. So these seat covers have little pins inside them. And you just push on pull those. Let me get these done. Okay, so I got one loosened almost. As they loosen, they tighten, so. Oh, fuck. I tried doing videos on how to put it together, like in the same video as taking it apart, and I failed miserably because it wouldn't let me download. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do taking it apart first, and then I'm going to do putting it together in a separate video, because that's going to be even harder. Because you have to, like, pulling it apart is easy enough. Taking it and putting it together is a little bit more of a challenge, because you have to figure out where things go. Just be in mind, be careful with, if you buy this swing, it takes 4 batteries, C batteries. So when you buy it, the batteries aren't included. So now that I took the legs off, the seat off, I'm going to remove the frame, which I could do this part off camera. It has the same pins as the seat, which I can show you what they look like. They look kind of like, I don't know if it's going to show. They look like this gray metal piece. Everything is like that now these days. And they just come off like that. Now the most challenging leg of all. The big piece. Damn. I guess this is to add secure for, and then I took apart the baby swing. Subscribe and have a nice day.